Solo travel tips and experiences. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey as we dive into the world of solo travel. Traveling alone can be a transformative and enriching experience. It provides an opportunity for self-discovery, personal growth, and a chance to step out of your comfort zone. However, it can also be intimidating and challenging, especially for first-time solo travelers. In this video, we will explore various tips and share some personal experiences to help you make the most of your solo travel adventures. Number 1. Research and plan ahead. One of the essential aspects of solo travel is proper research and planning. Start by choosing a destination that aligns with your interests, budget, and safety considerations. Look into the culture, local customs, and laws of the country you plan to visit. Understand the visa requirements and any travel advisories issued by your government. Number 2. Pack light and smart. Packing light is crucial when traveling solo, as you are solely responsible for carrying your luggage. Choose versatile clothing and pack only the essentials. Make sure to include necessary documents, medications, and electronic gadgets. A well-organized backpack or suitcase will make your journey more comfortable and stress-free. Number 3. Stay connected and share itinerary. While solo travel is about independence, it is essential to stay connected with friends and family back home. Share your itinerary and keep them updated about your whereabouts. This precaution ensures that someone knows your plans and can reach out in case of an emergency. Number 4. Choose safe accommodations. Safety is a top priority when traveling alone. Opt for reputable accommodations, such as hotels with good reviews or well-rated hostels. Consider booking your first night's stay in advance to avoid arriving in an unfamiliar place without any plans. Number 5. Be open to new connections. Solo travel does not mean you have to be isolated throughout your journey. Embrace the opportunity to meet new people, both locals and fellow travelers. Engaging in conversations can lead to amazing friendships and unique cultural experiences. Number 6. Trust your instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool, so trust it. If a situation or person feels off, remove yourself from it. Being cautious and aware of your surroundings will contribute to your safety during solo travels. Number 7. Learn basic local phrases. While English is widely spoken in many parts of the world, making an effort to learn some basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Locals often appreciate the gesture, and it can lead to more meaningful interactions. Number 8. Budget wisely. Solo travel can be costlier than traveling in groups, as you don't have the advantage of splitting expenses. Create a budget and stick to it. Look for budget-friendly accommodations, transportation, and dining options. Research free or low-cost activities and attractions to make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. Additionally, consider purchasing city passes or tourist cards that offer discounts on multiple attractions and public transportation. Take advantage of local markets and street food stalls for affordable and delicious meals. Avoid unnecessary expenses by carrying a reusable water bottle and refilling it at public fountains. When it comes to souvenirs, opt for meaningful and small keepsakes rather than expensive items. Lastly, keep track of your expenses using mobile apps or a travel journal to ensure you stay within your budget and have a worry-free solo travel experience. Number 9. Embrace spontaneity. While planning is essential, don't be afraid to embrace spontaneity during your solo travels. Some of the best experiences can arise from unexpected adventures and last-minute decisions. Be open to detours and new opportunities that come your way. Number 10. Respect local culture. Cultural sensitivity is vital when visiting new places. Take the time to learn about local customs, traditions, and etiquette. Respect religious sites and dress codes, if applicable. Show appreciation for the local culture, and you will find that the locals will welcome you more warmly. Personal experiences. 1. Discovering my true self in the mountains. During a solo trip to the Swiss Alps, I discovered the joy of hiking and the peace that comes from being in nature. The breathtaking landscapes and the physical challenge of trekking up the mountains made me realize my inner strength and resilience. 2. Making friends in a foreign land. While backpacking through Southeast Asia, I met a group of fellow solo travelers at a hostel in Bangkok. We instantly bonded over our shared love for adventure and exploration. Together, We explored ancient temples, tried exotic street food, and formed friendships that continue to this day. 3. Finding peace in meditation. A solo retreat to an ashram in India introduced me to the world of meditation and mindfulness. The experience of being away from the chaos of daily life allowed me to connect with my inner self and gain a sense of clarity and purpose. 4. Overcoming language barriers. During a solo trip to Japan, I faced the challenge of not knowing the language. However, with the help of translation apps and a willingness to learn a few basic phrases, I managed to navigate the country, make new friends, and even find some hidden gems that were not in the guidebooks. Solo travel offers a unique opportunity for self-discovery, growth, and memorable experiences. By researching and planning ahead, staying connected with loved ones, trusting your instincts, and being open to new connections, you can make the most of your solo adventures. Remember to respect local cultures, budget wisely, and embrace spontaneity for a truly enriching solo travel experience. So, pack your bags, set out on your journey, and let the world be your teacher and playground. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. Share your solo travel experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and keep shining bright. Safe travels, everyone.